Welcome to Oak Street Manufacturing. In the next minute, I'll show you how to use the website to find helpful resources, explore products, and send in a quote request with confidence. Start on the Resources page. This is where you'll find helpful planning tools like calculators, configurators, finish options, ADA guidance, and support for booth layouts. If you're comparing materials or planning a space, these tools can help you make decisions earlier and move toward the right furniture specification faster. The blog is also worth a quick look. It's a useful place to browse industry tips, product spotlights, and fresh design inspiration while you're shaping a project. When you're ready to shop, start by browsing products and opening the item that fits your space. From there, you can review specification and select the options you need. Next, add the item to your cart and continue building your request with the products that match your layout, finish, and seating plan. At checkout, you're not placing a direct online order. You're submitting a quote request, so Oak Street can review the details and prepare the next step accurately. Once it's submitted, Oak Street connects you with a local dealer and includes a freight estimate, which helps you get to final pricing faster and with fewer surprises. If you have questions, click on our contact page to send us a message. Thank you for choosing Oak Street Manufacturing's superior restaurant furnishings.